Metals versus non-metals. So these are metals: bronze, steel, and brass, and these are some of the non-metals: silicon and sulfur. So metals can conduct heat and electricity, while non-metals cannot conduct heat and electricity. Non-metals are brittle and delicate, and they can be easily broken up, while metals are malleable and ductile, and they can be hammered and pulled into different shapes. Also, metals tend to be shiny, while non-metals are usually dull and non-reflective. Metals have high density and have high melting points, while non-metals do not have high density, they have low densities and they have low melting points. So, non-metals form negative ions through electron gain, and they form acidic oxides, while metals form positive ions through electron loss and they form basic oxides.